In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create 3D talking characters with perfect lip sync using just one free AI tool and a single simple prompt. You don't need any animation skills, no paid software, and no complicated setup. I'll even give you the exact copy-paste prompt I use to get results like this so you can follow along and get the same quality. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn any character into a smooth studio-style talking animation in just a few minutes. So don't skip around. If you miss even one step, your results won't look this good. Step 1. Generate the story and prompts with ChatGPT. First, grab the master prompt from the pinned comment. Copy it, paste it into the chat GPT prompt box, and hit generate. In a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you a complete story script, clean 3D character descriptions, text-to-image prompts for your characters and scenes, image-to-video prompts for each scene with the dialogue already included inside every image-to-video prompt. The character details are generated once in clear descriptions, and we'll reuse those same characters in all our images and videos. That's how we keep the characters consistent and the lip sync looking natural across every clip. Step 2. Generate the characters and scene images. For the characters and scene images, we're going to use Google Whisk. Whisk is a powerful free image generation tool that's perfect for creating consistent characters. It now runs Nano Banana Pro inside, which makes the results even better. Open Whisk. On the left side, you'll see 3 sections. These are the building blocks for creating consistent images. First, click on Subject. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first character prompt. Paste it into the subject box and click Generate. Within a moment, Whisk will generate and lock in your first character with great detail. Next, click on the plus icon to add another subject. Go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the second character prompt, paste it into Whisk, and click Generate. Just like that, Whisk will generate and lock in your second character. Now it's time to set the style in the script that ChatGPT generated. You'll see the style written clearly. For example, high quality, Pixar/DYS style, 3D render, 3D cartoon style, or cinematic 3D style. Simply copy that exact style text from the script, paste it into the style box in Whisk, and use the same style for all images so your whole animation looks consistent. Once the subjects and style are logged in, we are ready to generate all the scene images one by one. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first text-to-image prompt. Paste it into the Whisk prompt box. Set the correct aspect ratio. I'll choose 16:9 and click Generate. In a few seconds, Whisk will create the first scene image with strong detail and perfect character consistency. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second text-to-image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and lock the seed for even more consistency. Click Generate, and boom! Whisk creates the second scene image with the same characters in the same style. Now generate the third scene image the same way. Paste the third text-to-image prompt, hit Generate, and you'll get another detailed scene with the characters, looking exactly the same. Repeat this process for all your scenes. After generating all the images, download them one by one. Step 3. Turn your images into a talking anime video using Grok. Now that we've generated all our scene images, it's time to turn them into real animation using Grok. Ro is a completely free text-to-video and image-to-video generator with built-in dialogue and lip sync. You can create animation clips that move and talk like studio-quality scenes with no watermark. Once you're on Grok, click Imagine. You'll see lots of videos and images that other people have created. You can look at their prompts to get ideas, but ChatGPT has already written the image-to-video prompts with dialogue for us. So we're ready to create. Upload the first scene image you generated in Whisk. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene image-to-video prompt, including all the dialogue. Paste the prompt into Grok and click Generate. It's so fast that it generates the first animated clip in just a few seconds with the character talking. Hey, where did you come from? The expressions moving and the dialogue already synced to the lips. Completely free with no watermark. Upload the second scene image. Copy the second image to video prompt from ChatGPT, including the dialogue. Paste it into Grok and click Create Video. Within moments, Grok generates the second clip with perfect character consistency. Safe. I'll make a stop. And the dialogue lined up with the mouth movements.
Okay, safe. The quality is honestly insane. Upload the third scene image. Paste it into Grok and click Create Video again. Grok generates another smooth animated clip with matching character style, clean motion, and synced dialogue, all in just a few seconds. Here, little guy, try this. You like that, huh? Now repeat this same process for all the remaining scenes. Upload each scene image. Copy that scene's image to video prompt with dialogue from ChatGPT. Paste it into Grok and click Create Video. After all the clips are generated, download them one by one. You've now created a full set of watermark-free, consistent 3D talking animation clips with perfect lip sync using AI, completely free. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more AI animation workflows. Thanks for watching. See you next time.